Gotta stupid mistakes. Careless actions. Let's step into the world of dangerous machinery. Operations, trust me, you won't be able to take your eyes off it. Can you believe that? A crane dropping a 20,000-pound tree. It's like a scene straight out of an action movie. Intense and thrilling. Many would give up. Only those with skill and patience can pull off such a feat. It truly takes a professional racer to make it happen. I'm genuinely impressed.
But you know, one of the things, I got the chance to go to El Paso, Texas, and watch his last freestyle run. I think it was the best I ever saw him do. He comes here with a lot of momentum. He did a lot of technical things, and he's known as a racer. He comes to race, but his game is...
Imagine this, the roaring crowd. Engine screaming, and then bam. The mad scientist by VP Racing Fuels launches into a jaw-dropping flip during the 2017 Monster Jam Freestyle Championship. While the tractor roared into the pole, with extraordinary power lifting its front two wheels, in a dramatic display of strength. After careful preparation, road workers used two powerful Corvettes, K702 tractors, to successfully pull a truck out of the frozen river. It seems like a rare and intense incident occurred when a sand barge unexpectedly collided with a cargo ship at sea. And this one holds the Guinness World Record for the longest wheelie of 147 meters. That is pretty sweet for a fire truck to do. A freaking amazing wheelie. It was a close call. The crane hook slipped off the material, causing it to almost lose balance and fall down. The operation of this wooden barge is quite unique. There are tipping tanks that are filled to dump the barge. The towing tug is attached to the barge at all times. A smaller tug is attached to the stern of the towing tug and disconnects when the barge dumps. As the tipping tanks fill, the two tugs work together to keep the barge in place. Have you ever wondered how a little extra weight can change the game? Take a look at the John Deere pit bulls, Dwarf versus the Tadroff thanks to its heavier design. The John Deere's tires dig deeper into the ground, gripping like a true champion. What's behind the truck bed that led to such a unique situation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. operating an excavator on a steep slope is risky, as its weight and balance can cause tipping, especially on uneven terrain. To the seasoned operator, the is a trusted partner. Its relentless strength and dependability make even the most stubborn tree roots seem manageable. It's a machine that gets the job done every time. John Deere swimming through deep water. It's unbelievable and definitely a great way to clean the underside of the equipment. That's amazing. The waterproof and all-terrain capabilities of this Hitachi excavator are truly impressive. Do you think the person inside stays dry? Leave your thoughts below. The Timberjack 810 is perfect for logging in wet, winter forests. With a 109 horsepower Perkins engine and Timberjack TMC control system, it efficiently navigates muddy and snowy terrain. Its durable suspension, high traction tires, and advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth, reliable operation even in tough conditions. Behold the remarkable engineering feat. As valve house and building movers relocate the historic Buchanan mansion, this 125-year-old giant begins an extraordinary journey to its new location. You don't see this every day. An operator so calm under pressure that even gravity took a step back to watch. That's the kind of experience you can't fake. Navigating a construction site can be tough, especially when you're unloading too. The D4KD tractor developed in the GTR features a 1960s inspired cabin and a robust mechanical design. Despite its classic appearance, the tractor excels in modern applications, showcasing durable construction and precise engineering, tailored for demanding tasks. Breathtaking. The Belarusi MPS 1025 Forestry tractor in the wet forest had to endure a challenging journey through slippery ice. The outcome exceeded expectations. Wow, this Kia's K7 Pro. Force climb with that trailer is a slow burn. This is a masterclass in caution. Classic case of a bus getting stuck. Looks like we're in for a bit of a smoky situation here. Can you feel it? The power of steam and the bulldog engine. Working hand in hand like they did over 100 years ago. This was the scene at Bogdanmere Alton, where steam and tractor unite in a timeless force. In the Sierra Madre of Durango, the timber-laden truck struggled on the steep, winding roads. The tight hairpin turns made it impossible to navigate without the help of those nearby. Oh my god, taking down a Kirovetsky 700. It's not easy, you have to be extremely focused. Every step is important. Port of everyone around. To escape the treacherous terrain. The first time I saw the Volvo 206, 5.0, I thought this is too good to be true. But trust me, it lives up to all the hype. Fast, smooth, and incredibly reliable. Forget Fast and Furious. This is Tilted and Tense on the Countryside Edition. Ace Heavy Haulage is in action, rescuing a flip truck on the Auckland Highway. The chaos hours of traffic gridlock. The clock is ticking. This isn't just a rescue. It's a race against time. You can tell they've got each other's backs. No hesitation, no second guessing, just pure coordination. It's one of those roads that'll test every bit of skill you've got. If you don't have the experience, you're not making it through. The excavator really gave it its all to drag that truck with everything it had. Tone through as they tackled this challenging stretch of road. Alright, that was pure talent. Whoever trained that guy deserves a thank you card. Can't believe they got that bus up like that. His ability to multitask and perform accurate calculations was evident in the efficient loading of the Volvo Mini onto the vehicle. No competition at all. The Komatsu D575-A is an incredible bulldozer. Its blade can carry 90 cubic meters, tearing through everything on the ground. Nothing can stop this super machine. This excavator, demolishing the beaver dam, is a sight to see. The operator's command over the machine makes it seem like it's moving with purpose and grace. Maintaining clear sightlines and mitigating storm-related hazards in urban areas necessitates strategic vegetation management. Proper pruning and removal are key. No log, no matter how stubborn, stands a chance. But here's the kicker: the 16 weighs less. Imagine 16 perfectly split pieces from a single log. It's a game changer. And for a flawless finish, the Tumble King removes every last bit of debris, leaving you with firewood that's not just split, but refined problem-solved folks. Winter is coming, but you'll be ready. Alright folks, let's break down the real stars of this show. The Vaughn attachments for the Cennebagen 7-1. AD demonstrated expertly by Cennebagen dealer. Willing in Berlin. We're talking a saw. Grapple that'll make quick work of any felling task. A Forestry mulcher. That'll chew up brush like it's nothing. A precise hedge cutter. And a stump grinder. That'll erase any trace of unwanted tree remains. This boom extension with specialized kinematics is what makes it all possible. It's the ultimate land management tools. This tree may appear small, but don't let it fool you. This one's a real monster. You'll see what I mean when we get it on the ground. That's a stump. I've never met a tree. Are you ready to witness a revolution in grinding technology? Trust me, your jaws will drop when you see this beast in action. The Diamond ZDZ-H7000 is here to blow your mind. Picture this machine so powerful. It turns mountains of waste into manageable mulch. In minutes. Can you feel the excitement? The Tiger Cat 8 550 Feller Buncher features a fuel-efficient engine, ER boom technology for reduced energy consumption, and Skyview, YAR's rear-view camera systems for enhanced safety. The 570 harvesting head. It boasts independent knife arms for superior processing, a fixed 340-degree rotating wrist for improved control, and a robust design for increased uptime. The Tiger Cat D7 control system provides intuitive operation and advanced functionality. Hey folks, how many of you have spent hours splitting firewood by hand? I know the feeling. But what if I told you there's a better way? Meet the Halverson HWP140. This machine is a beast with its 6-way splitter. It tackles 8-foot logs in under a minute. That's right, under a minute. And the best part, it attaches to your skid steer, making setup a breeze. Who's ready to say goodbye to backbreaking work? Huge, picture this. A 5-foot hemlock riddled with rot towering overhead. It's a recipe for disaster, right? But what happened next was incredible. This guy with years of experience used all sorts of tricks to bring it down safely. It was like watching a master craftsman at work. I was on the edge of my seat the whole time, wondering how he'd do it. And then boom, down it came. Perfectly controlled, what a story. Alright folks, let's get down to brass tacks on tree work. It's risky business, you've got a powerful saw to handle, unpredictable situations, and the constant pull of gravity. One miscalculation and you're in a world of hurt. Wow, I just saw this Hartnett petrol lug saw in action, and I'm blown away. It's got a powerful 13 horsepower engine and a huge 700mm blade that just slices through logs like butter. The best part, it's incredibly safe. The blade's fully enclosed, so you don't have to worry about kickback. Like with a chainsaw. Who knew cutting firewood could be this easy? Alright folks, let's talk serious machinery. We're looking at the Petzoldo PTH 1000/1000 meters. Beast of a wood chipper powered by a Scania DC-16 engine, boasting a whopping 656 horsepower. This machine means business. We're talking a 1000mm drum, diameter and width, a 2200mm long feeding chain, and a hopper width of 2070 meters. This setup is designed for high volume processing, handling even the most demanding jobs with ease. Wow, have you ever seen anything like that? Cat 990 log unloader. It's like a giant mechanical beast, effortlessly moving those massive logs. It makes you wonder, how do they design something so powerful? These cars are writing checks their engines can't cash. These cars are writing checks their engines can't cash.
We've got the new Posh
Oh my god!
very exciting.
Stop struggling with that chainsaw. Get the Hartnett petrol lug saw. 13 horsepower engine, total safety. Effortless cutting, it supports the log. You just guide it through. Take it anywhere with its built-in tow bar. Cut like a Pro 1000 for $155. Game changer, get yours today.
13 horsepower, 700 mil. Right.
Let's put yourselves in the driver's seat for a minute. Can you feel that the rumbling of the engine? The sheer weight of the cargo behind you? Could you handle it, I mean? We're talking about navigating narrow, often muddy roads, with what are essentially skyscrapers on wheels. It is no walk in the park. The skill involved is just mind-blowing, right? Let's give these drivers some serious respect. Am I right in thinking this person is seriously skilled? Or can we just pause and ask, why isn't that winch being put to work? It feels like watching someone run a marathon with their shoelaces tied together. What do you all think? Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Представляем вашему вниманию новый дровокол от канистра, сделанный с учетом передовых технологий, который работает от двигателя стиральной машины, всего 350 Вт.